Okay? One is, what if we live too long? Diba? Sino nang gusto buhay na mahaba? And then second is, what if we get sick? Okay? And what if we die too soon? No? Walang walang all the above. No? Hindi pwedeng lahat sa atin. No? Isa lang ang pwedeng mangyari sa atin. Okay? Kaya mahalaga po na meron tayong solution. Okay? So ano yung solution natin? So number one, if we die too soon, we need to have that insurance. What if we get sick? Dapat meron tayong healthcare. And what if we live too long? Dapat meron tayong savings and investment. So yung po yung solution na kailangan natin. And what if I tell you na pwede ka magkaroon ng healthcare, ng life insurance and savings in one savings account? No? That is Kaiser Ultimate Health Builder. Okay? Sino dito yung nagkakape? Kakape, di ba? Sino dito yung mahilig sa 3-in-1? O nagti-3-in-1? Di ba? Bakit gusto natin ng 3-in-1? Kasi may creamer, may coffee, may sugar. Di ba? So, Kaiser is like 3-in-1. May healthcare ka, may life insurance ka, may savings ka. In-1 savings investment. Okay? Kumbaga kung nagsisimula ka pala, nag-start ka pala, no? Ito yung starting point mo kung saan ka pwede mag-save. Okay? So, isa to sa mga recommended investment na pwede natin simulan kung nagsisimula ka pa lang. Okay? Unti-unti, you just build up your investment portfolio. And ito yung way natin to properly protect our self, no? Kasi yun yung solid financial foundation natin, yun yung starting point. Okay?